Hi everybody, it's Dr. Beachcomb. I'm going to give you a little tutorial on my favorite rock, which is quartz. So if you want to come in and take a good look at this, they're very soothing quartz stones. A lot of the stones you find on the shore are actually quartz, but a different variety. But we're just going to do a basic tutorial on quartz rocks. My favorite quartz is found in the Mid-Atlantic from Long Island down to Chesapeake Bay, Delaware Bay region. Cape May, New Jersey. There are two types of quartz. These are Long Island quartz, which if you notice the difference, they're very chunky, they're big, they're almost like eggs, rounded boulder type, almost bubbles, like some of the English sea glass bubbles. Beautiful colors, tend to be dove grays and a rose and a pearl white. As you go down the bay, further down, down the Atlantic, you'll come to Cape May, New Jersey, and the bays, Delaware and Chesapeake, and the quartz is very thin. See the difference here? Look at that. Very thin. These beautiful, smooth orbs of quartz. Quartz. I'm having the hardest time with that word, but anyway, quartz. That are very, a lot of people say there's spiritual qualities to quartz. It's very soothing and just comforting to rub between your hands. There are two types of quartz. There's cryptocrystalline, you can't see through it, and tends to be very dense. And then there's the crystalline, which is clear. See this one? This looks like sea glass or a diamond. And in fact, in Cape May, these are pretty prolific. And jewelers facet them into rings and call them Cape May diamonds. The quartz I tend to love the most is the rose quartz, which is kind of a hard find. The most common colors tend to be whites and yellows and browns. I like the pinks. I love the charcoal. That's a hard color to find too. And I love some of the pearl whites. Very soothing. After my mother died, I would go down to our beach and collect these, and they just really calm me down, calm my sadness down, just feeling their smoothness. So let me show you a little trick here. A lot of people like the frosted look, and I do too, but sometimes I want to bring out the color. So if you get a little bit of sunblock, and this is Blue Lizard, which I love a lot. It has a lot of zinc oxide in it, so it's good for your face and it's good for your quartz. It will bring out the color of your quartz, and it's it'll last for a long time. See the difference right here. But it doesn't have that shiny, glistening look that tumbled rocks get, which I find sort of artificial. So I wouldn't try this on other rocks unless they're very, very hard surfaced, because the zinc oxide will stick in pits, and it also doesn't work very well on sea glass. So, it's interesting, when I go beachcombing, I always find things that camouflage as something else. And if you're looking at this pile of quartz right here, can you see the imposter? Because there is one. You have this piece of quartz, and then you have this Victorian porcelain doorknob. Isn't that cool? I thought that was quartz when I first saw it on the beach, but it's not. Anyway, happy hunting, happy combing, get outside and have fun. Bye.